Good evening, guys. My name is Wisdom Tutor, and today we are talking on indices. And indices is having a singular name, which is index. It is called index form. So, a number is said to be an index form when it multiplies itself a lot of time. And examples are the t cube and the k square. The t cube multiplies itself 3 times and the k square multiplies itself 2 times. So now we move on to the laws of indices. The laws of indices, we have 8 main laws. Many people may say it's 7, but we have 8 main laws. The first one is the multiplication law, which says that we add the power of the same base. We add the power of the same base. Division law says that we subtract the power of the same base. The zero index law says that any base raised to the power of 0 is 1. And the power of a power law says that we multiply the exponent. The negative index law says that whenever we want to change a negative index to a positive index, we flip the base. The fractional index law says that whenever we see a number like 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2, we should just know that that is talking about square root. And we can also write it in this form, something like root 5, root a, anyhow. Then the power of a product says that we distribute whatever is outside here, whatever power is outside here, to what is inside the bracket. We distribute it evenly. Then law 8, power of a quotient, says that we distribute evenly also. We have a simple example on the board which says that we should simplify the following: 5b square multiplied by 4b cube. And we also have the second example to go like this: 12x raised to the power of 4y cube divided by 3x raised to the power of 4y squared. And the third example to be xy raised to the power of negative 3. And we have the fourth example to be v raised to the power of 6 all over open bracket minus v close bracket raised to the power of 4. So we go. The first example, 5b square times 4b square. So this 5 and this other 4 here, they are not having the same base, so we multiply them because of this sign that is here. So multiplying them, we have 20. This b and this b, they are of the same base, so we just pick one. Picking one, we write it b. Multiplication says that we add the power of the same base. So adding the power 2 plus 2, we have 2 plus 2. So we now have 20b. 2 plus 2 is 4. 20b raised to the power of 4. That is the answer for the first one. So to solve number 2, we go like this. First thing we should have in mind is that the 12 and the 3 are not having the same base. So, and the sign here is division, meaning that we are going to divide them. So to solve number 2, we write it down at first. Write it down: 12x raised to the power of 4, then y raised to the power of 3 divided by 3x raised to the power of 4, then y raised to the power of 2. Here is 12, here is 3, not the same base. And the sign here is division, so we just divide them. 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. Then xy, so these two have the same base of xy. So we just multiply, we minus their base, because division says that division law of indices states that you subtract the power of the same base. So we'll pick one letter here. Since it's the same base, we just pick one. X, we pick x. Then 4 minus this other base 2 here is 4. Then we have the y. Here is 3. Here is 2. So here will be minus 2. So we now have 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 4, then y raised to the power of 3 minus 2. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So we have x raised to the power of 0, then y. 3 minus 2 is 1. And in indices, in the fourth law of indices, which is the zero index law, it says that any base raised to the power of 0 is 1, and here x is raised to the power of 0, so x will be equals to 1. So we have 4. Since x is equals to 1, x is already eliminated, so we have 4y. Since it is raised to the power of 1, you can leave it like that. Thank you. Or if you decide, you can still write your 1. The choice is yours. Thank you. The C and D, I'll be doing it in my next class because of the weather.